JB Industries has been making pumps for over 35 years. And over those 35 years, we've made the top quality, best performing pump on the market. We have recognized recently, though, that there is a market for a more economical pump. Our Platinum Series pumps, which offer integrated ball valves, gas ballast valves, and other high-end features, aren't always needed. We've introduced an Eliminator vacuum pump with a few less features than our premium Platinum Series pump. As a result, we are now able to offer a made in the USA JB quality pump at a price point that can compete with the imports. The pump will accommodate up to 22 ounces of oil, which is great for larger jobs where oil gets contaminated more quickly. There are a couple of ways to fill the Eliminator. Simply remove the oil fill cap. All JB oil carts come with a conical shaped cap for easy fill. You can cut off depending on the speed of fill that you desire. Simply put in the hole and allow to fill. Ensure that your oil drain is closed at this time, otherwise oil will come out of the bottom. The other way to fill your JB Eliminator vacuum pump is simply use any funnel, remove the cap completely, and fill. It's important to set the oil level properly on the Eliminator. On the Eliminator pump, we have oil level engraved on arrows. You simply need to ensure that the oil level lines up with the arrows and you'll have maximum amount of oil. If oil is overfilled, it may exhaust out through the handle. If oil level is too low, it won't seal properly and you won't achieve your desired vacuum level. Another feature on the Eliminator vacuum pump are the intake ports. We offer a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 intake depending on the hose and manifold connection setup that you have. There's a large oil sight glass on the Eliminator front cover to give you a clear view of both oil contamination and oil level. All JB Eliminator vacuum pumps come with a 1/2 horse start capacitor motor to ensure that the pump starts every time, even in cold and hard starting conditions. Each motor also comes with a low profile rocker switch to ensure that the switch won't get accidentally bumped off during an evacuation. Another important feature of the JB Eliminator vacuum pump is the oil drain. Many of the competitors just have a screw with an O-ring that falls into an oil pan as you're draining the oil. The JB has a fully functional in-house designed valve which opens and closes against an O-ring seal. The vacuum pump oil serves 3 functions in a vacuum pump. It's a coolant, a lubricant, and a sealant. The oil really is the lifeblood of your vacuum pump, so we recommend changing after every use. If you're unsure if you're ready for an oil change and you can't tell by looking through the side glass, we recommend attaching a micron gauge directly to the pump. If you achieve 50 microns or better, your oil is still good. If not, it's time for an oil change. The JB Eliminator series of vacuum pumps, as with all of JB's vacuum pumps, comes with an unprecedented 2-year over-the-counter warranty. Every Eliminator pump is 100% tested on the line, 4 hours and overnight. We test for ultimate vacuum, CFM, heat, noise, and other important features in a vacuum pump. As a result of our thorough testing, you can be certain that the JB Eliminator vacuum pump will give you many years of service.